All right. Hey man. So there's two different options that we can have with this. So there's comment to message and click to message. So comment to message is obviously type so and so in the comments below, and we'll send out the free report to you. So that's what we've used in the past. So something like this. So we'll send it out, comment ready again, and we'll send it right over. Now there's no way around that. It's part of the terms of services. We need to have them reply to us a second time to actually subscribe them to ManyChat. So regardless of what tool we use, it's always going to have to require a message back from them. Now, one problem with the comment to message, the pros and cons. So the comment to message, obviously having heaps of comments and getting the engagement up is good. But when we build it out, because the way you set up a ManyChat, you just choose the ID of the ad that you want to run it to. So that's what we've done in the past. Now, when we do that, it's usually a conversion based ad, and it has to be a conversion based, so it actually looks like an ad that we want with the headline and all of that sort of stuff. So, and with a conversion base, you have to have the URL. So for optimizing for leads, and then we have the URL to this page or whatever page it is, like the fuck all that, but the download the URL to the free checklist, then the lead count that's coming through on that and being tracked in Facebook's in the business manager, it's not going to be accurate. So because you're going to get people that are going to click through to the ad and people that are going to message. So that's the con of that. Now the other one, this one here, which is click to message. So we just set it up, and we set it up with the JSON. So then the ad will just appear as a normal ad, but the call to action will obviously be a message button. So when someone clicks on the ad, then it'll trigger the message straight away. Now that works way better in terms of it's a lot smoother, it's a lot easier to set up. And in that case, we're optimizing for actual clicks. So then the data coming into Facebook Business Manager is more accurate. But the con of that is that people aren't commenting to trigger the bot, so the engagement's going to be a lot lower. So that's how they both are. I'll set up the comment to message what we had previously, because we can track it all through the back end of ManyChat. And last time when we ran that, I'm pretty sure the click or the opt-in rate was pretty good. So that was this one here. No, this one here. So it was 71%, 77% conversion. So we had 153 people click on it. 118 actually replied and opted in. So we can check the stats in the back here, but it's just not going to be represented in Business Manager result. But I'll set up the comment to message so far, and I think the most important thing anyway is going to be the conversion. So the conversion to a call. So I've set that up here. So then we can also just check the click-through rate on the actual calls. But I'll set it up, shoot it over, and yeah, let's go with that. We can maybe test both of them against each other if you want, and just see which one has a better cost per strategy session. But yeah, just wanted to give you a run through.